Hey guys, so we're back. We're back, not just me today. I have my brother here. His name is Devin. Say hi. Say hi to my YouTube. We're gonna be doing, my brother does my makeup today. I'm a little frightened. We've picked out, well, I picked out some stuff here because, what are you doing?
It's wet. Why is that wet?
Have you ever seen any of my YouTube videos?
You make YouTube videos? Is this why we're here?
So, let's just jump right in. We don't have time to read products now.
What? So how am I supposed to learn what this shit is?
Okay, so he's a car guy. What do you do before you paint a car?
Primer.
Right, so the same thing. It's the same thing in this. This is the concept.
So where do you have primer?
I can't tell you. That's not primer.
So on your face or on my finger, then I rub it in? Like, what do I do?
It goes on my face.
I have to touch your face?
But if you don't want to touch my face, I mean... Okay, I'll just do this part because we have a thing with touching.
I'm a germaphobe. And...
Big time.
Yes! Yes.
No.
Can I do this again?
No, we're good. So, do you know what goes next? Foundation. That's not foundation. Foundation.
Alright, stop saying foundation. Just by you saying foundation doesn't make it a
I'll
pair.
cover this stuff back up because it's gonna take forever.
Ah, okay.
Pick one.
Okay, normal to dry. Alright, let's do the new look. Because it's
You
new.
just shake it. What are you doing?
Alright. Do I just...
It's however you think it's like gonna go.
Alright, I think you need a new brush. Is what I think you need.
Okay, it's gonna come out a lot! That's gonna be for my whole face, so don't just... You know what? Just...
I got this! I got this! I don't know where your face has been. Did you shower today?
Mm-hmm.
For how long?
Oh my god.
Do you use like a face cleaner?
You've got interesting strokes. Okay, alright.
For different folks, you know? You should close your eyes. Because I have to do the top of your eyes too, right?
It's up to you.
I don't know.
You're the makeup artist today, bruh.
Alright, so close your eyes. I mean, I feel like I got a lot going on.
Do you want to tell, you want to, like, talk about yourself, or?
I don't think your audience really cares about me at all. They're gonna be like, who's this brown guy? You look like a pumpkin.
Are we moving on, or?
I don't know.
Do you think that this is good?
Do I have to wait for it to dry? Like, does it stay wet?
Dude, you picked a dewy foundation, so this is not gonna dry.
Is this like Bill Nye's cousin? The science guy? Oh.
Okay, not that much. Oh my god, that's too much. It's not gonna go back down. Just worry.
Alright, so whoever you guys are, you gotta give it one of these for free, because...
It's ColourPop.
What?
ColourPop is the name of the company.
Is that? Oh, I thought that was like K-pop.
I don't even know what that is.
It's like Korean pop music. I don't even know what that is.
You listen to K-pop music? Korean pop music?
Can you stop moving your eyebrows? Like, you are messing me up.
I don't know. I feel like you're nowhere near where my eyebrow is like really supposed to be.
What is that? Is that like your smooth edge contour? That's like...
No, that's your foundation work that you've done. So if anything you're saying ew to, it's because you've done it.
Come here. Stop moving. Because you're giving me anxiety.
By the way, I have no mirror really close to me. Like, I have my regular mirror, but I can't see that far. I'm way back than what I'm normally used to. So it's gonna be fun seeing this when you're all done. That's concealer. I think you should.
Oh, so that's like last.
No. Why do you think that's last?
Because concealer seals it all in place.
No.
Boom. Doesn't move.
You have to use the sponge too. I know you don't want to touch it because it's wet, but you have to.
Because you have to like pat it in, right? Like on your cheeks, right?
No.
Like this.
No. So I want to conceal like blemishes and dark circles. So where do you think that would be?
Under your eyes.
Ding ding ding.
Look up and close your eyes.
That makes no sense.
Okay, so just look up.
Oh, you're doing the dot method?
The dot method. Oh, you're doing the dot method?
Is that the only place that needs concealing?
I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out as I go.
Can I explain that he's doing like swiping motions instead of pouncing?
Pouncing?
Yeah.
That sounds very aggressive. It sounds so like mean. Like, why would you want to pounce on the bottom of your eyes? You should really close it. I'm gonna poke your eyeball, and you're gonna be like so mad.
But then my eyelashes are gonna get into the concealer. But you know what? It's okay.
We'll figure that out later. We'll get to there, right? I didn't do much of a bad job.
You're looking at me like it's not okay.
But it's not that bad. Like I've seen
that bad.
What is this? This is eyeliner. So how do you know what this is? It doesn't like tell you. This all says Kylie.
Look.
Why can't I just use the brush it comes with?
No, because this is a new palette, so no.
Oh God, don't do that.
You don't need this. I don't know why you keep holding this. Okay, that's the brush you're gonna use.
Why do I need to do this to your
No, I keep wanting to correct him. Like, no, that's not the brush you use. You need a blending brush, but I'm not supposed to correct him because, go ahead.
What the hell is the difference between a blending brush and this one?
They're not gonna answer you back. I mean, maybe in the comments, but...
Is this a blending brush?
That's a pretty good brush to use.
I don't know. I think the blue.
What are you feeling? I knew it! I knew he was gonna pick the blue. I knew
the blue, like all up in the cheeks.
No. This is eyeshadows. You feeling peachy?
I'm feeling a little peachy.
Wait, why are you putting this on my face? Eyeshadows.
Oh, the top of your eyes?
Oh my God.
What do you think I'm doing here? I don't know. Close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Oh my God.
Well, you put it all on my cheek, so there should be no oh my God.
No, it like dusts and like.
Well, yeah.
It moves like smoke.
Right.
Why? So y'all want the blue?
They're not gonna answer you back.
You want the blue?
But be careful. Are you going ham on my palette?
No.
That wasn't the brush for blue, but whatever. I just don't understand why we've been doing the same eye for the past half an hour. Do you want a more colorful palette?
Nope, I'm done. That's
Here,
it.
I'll give you another one.
Nope, that's it. Perfect.
Look, see that pink one right there? Grab those. Look like your tones. Like that is your car right there. That's the color of it. This is the color of his car.
So I'm gonna add purple and green of my car. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
But I feel like you're doing it really wild.
You're fine.
Are we done? Do you think it's done?
Yeah, we're done. We're done.
They look pretty. They look like I'm going to prom.
No, beauty's in the eyes of the beholder.
It's highlighter. It's a highlighting palette.
What does it highlight though?
The highest points of my face, but I'm not supposed to tell you that.
So like your cheekbones.
You're on the right track, but you're gonna use that brush?
I didn't even know that was there. I didn't even know that something was coming.
Like, my face is so itchy. I don't know what you did, but everything is itching me.
We're gonna go with the amber gold. That's what we're gonna do. Amber gold. Amber gold. It's mad amber gold in one spot.
Okay. Is this blush or?
Sure. This is whatever you want it to be.
I don't understand why we're just doing it right here. You watch my videos?
Clearly.
I like to glow like a lot, so I don't know where you think highlight needs to go.
Cause you know, I like gold. I like gold.
But there's so much other gold in here.
I really want to know what this powder is.
Hold it up.
This Ben Nye? I think this is like Bill Nye the Science Guy's family, or Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Don't do that. Ooh, a little bit goes a long way. I'm just saying, if you spill that in my room, I swear to you.
You ain't doing
Don't
nothing.
curse. I don't remember you concealing my forehead, but okay.
I don't remember you telling me what concealment meant. This thing.
Eyeliner.
Oh, this is eyeliner.
Mm-hmm. So wait, where were you gonna put it?
It's gonna draw like a little mustache.
No.
No.
It's eyeliner, so it goes on my eye, not underneath my eye.
Yeah, like in the thing, right?
No. Don't go in my eye.
On top of your eye, like where the roots of your eyelashes are, right?
Do you know when girls wear eyeliner what it looks like?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't have any kind of steady hands. Stop moving your eyeballs. That takes like a
Wait, can we
special
stop?
kind of skill. That takes like a special kind of skill.
It's tickling. Like you're doing it. He's doing it so like quick. It's like little feathers tickling me.
Stop twitching. See, you messed up my line.
It's mascara.
But like the bottle was like a thing out of an alien movie. So do you keep your eyes open or closed as I do this? Open?
Mm-hmm.
So you want to watch this happen to you?
I'm gonna look away.
What? What's that bow tie thing? How to do this? How do I paste this on?
Paste?
What kind of hair? Is this real people hair? How does this? Is this paste on the top or the bottom? Like,
Why would you go on the bottom?
well, close your eyes. I think. Open your eyes. Wow. That is not how that goes.
So you're gonna like let them know what you're doing? Like,
I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm putting some horse eyelashes on your
you're also
eyes.
spitting on me.
It'll help it seal in the spit. God, let me see. Can you? Jesus, holy moly! Give me that. Stop moving.
You have the tool in your hand.
I'm not a doctor.
This is what?
Contour
Do you know where contouring goes?
everywhere. Oh, just like your cheekbones, right? Like right up in here.
Contouring is like chiseling out your features. Do you understand?
Sure.
You're using the banana powder to contour?
Let's go.
Wait, what are you doing?
I don't know.
What are you doing? Why are you in this area of my face?
I don't know. Where am I supposed to be?
I thought you were gonna chisel out my cheeks.
Isn't that your cheek? Okay. Oh, so like hair? Is that better?
It feels a little better, yes.
Other cheek?
Sassy much?
You like your hair? It's all up in my vision. Okay.
You feel confident?
Yeah. I know you're mad close to me. Answer the first
You're
time.
so close to
You're
me.
so close to me, and I'm not used to this.
That whole case thing there is all lips. You can go ahead and pick.
We're gonna go with a dark.
Can you explain your choice here?
At least it smells good.
You smell?
It does smell good.
Yeah, it smells like vanilla.
Yeah.
Like vanilla cupcakes. What do you want me to do?
Stay still. Close your lips and stay still. Finally, shut your mouth and don't speak.
I don't know. You went with the
No,
dark.
it was nice for the couple seconds that she didn't say anything. It was nice. You're crazy.
It feels really dry what you're doing.
Yeah, it does. I don't
So
know.
why don't you pick up some color? There you go. I feel something happening.
Yeah, like, why are you still talking? I feel like with some practice I could do this. Like, I'm not that bad. Like this, like that.
You're not really supposed to do that with that kind, with matte, but... More?
Yeah, because you just screwed it up by doing that.
You told me to do it!
Well, you're supposed to know better than that. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. You going out tonight? Where you going?
I don't know. I feel like I have to go somewhere.
Where you going?
Okay, so what's next?
This thing. Oh, her skincare. Her. Alright, facials. Oh, there's aloe and herbs and some rose water. It's a good combination of things. 1, 2, 3.
Right, before I take a look, do you want to tell the audience, like...
I mean, look, I did a really good job for it's the first time for everything. Feel really good.
So if you picked up a girl for her first date and she got in the car looking like this...
No.
No?
Nope. She's gotta go.
I have to take a look.
She's gotta go. She would look like a clown.
What's happening?
I don't date clowns. I don't got time for games. It's not bad. I mean, with some practice.
It's not good. I feel like you got the highlight in the right area. I'm not really sure what was going on with the eyes. You didn't conceal anything under my eyes. Like, it's all dark under there.
I mean, are you blind? I see it. It's there.
Like, this is a very interesting wing you have here. It's like a dot wing. Is that what that...
You blinked and moved, and I didn't have a choice. It just was there.
And I want to know... I just want to know. These brows, like, what's...
You wouldn't stop moving.
So you're going to blame everything is because I was
yeah,
moving?
yes.
These
and
brows.
these damn lights, I can't see anything. Burning my retinas. I already have sensitive eyes.
I feel like this eye came out okay. Like, it's very...
I told you, it's not that bad. It's not that
I
bad.
don't know why you're so aggressive right now. Like, you're being very aggressive.
This is not a profession I'm gonna.
I find it really interesting that you didn't use eyelash glue to put the lashes on. You didn't use eyelash glue. Did you know you were supposed to use eyelash glue?
I didn't even know you had glue. Like, was it Elmer's?
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video and want to see more like this, I actually have a really funny mom. She can do my makeup as well. So she says. If you want to see that, please leave comments down below. Hit follow, hit like. Follow me on Instagram. This guy's on there too. I'm going to do a shout out.
Yep. Super Devin. You know, people try to follow me and they think it's super. I'm not super.
Oh my god, we're done. Cut.
I don't know, whoever did...
Whoever, you did it. You did it. Whoever did it, you did it.